Hello friend, in this short video you will learn everything about the smartwatch Huawei Watch GT Cyber in a couple of minutes. Let's go. Huawei has unveiled its most unusual smartwatch, the Watch GT Cyber. The device is remarkable in that the watch itself can be taken out of one case and inserted into another. Moreover, Huawei has come up with other wearing options. For example, the Watch GT Cyber can be worn around the neck like a medallion, or attached to your bag. The company even prepared a special case for the Mate 50 rupees Porsche design with a watch pocket under the camera unit. In general, we can say that the Watch GT Cyber is the first smartwatch that does not have to be worn on the wrist. But if you use the vital signs monitoring functions, then there are no other options than wearing it on your wrist. In terms of monitoring, the Watch GT Cyber is no different from other smartwatches. There are heart rate and SPO2 sensors, monitoring of sleep, stress, and the menstrual cycle. The device supports more than 100 training modes and other activities. For example, there are hip-hop and parkour modes. The watch is a stainless steel module with a 1.3-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 144 by 144 pixels and all the technical stuffing, including 292 mAh battery. The module can be rearranged in different cases. Unlike traditional smartwatches, where only the strap can be changed, the new Huawei also allows you to change the ceramic bezels around the screen. In terms of technical capabilities, the Watch GT Cyber repeats other models of accessories from Huawei. Sensors are provided to monitor the parameters of the user's body, as well as support for more than 100 types of sports training. The presence of an NFC module, GPS support, as well as moisture protection of 5 atmospheres are declared. This concludes the review. Bye bye.